My Jeep started making some weird noise. I was kind of scared, not gonna lie. But when I looked in the engine bay, I could hear the fan spinning, but the fan was moving really slow. So I think the nut holding the blades in there are loose or something happened. So I'm gonna try to take this off without removing the radiator because I don't think we need to. It looks like we might have enough space, but I don't know. So let's go ahead and see what we can do. So when I bought the Jeep, the radiator had blown, which caused my head gasket to blow. But I remember I changed out the radiator with Chris and we didn't put the right screws back in. So I have a nut on this side, and down there on the bottom I actually zip tied it, so we can just cut the zip tie over there. Over here it's kind of hard to get, but it's a 10 mil right here. I don't know if that's like the right screw or not though, because we just did it all janky. We didn't know what we were doing. And down there I didn't put a nut on, so it'll be easy to take off. Let me just get the right tool. I think Jeep knew that we would be working on our Jeeps a lot, so they added this little groove in here so you can put all your bolts and nuts and stuff. So I got everything disconnected. I'm gonna move this out of the way. I actually don't know what way. I don't want it to spill though. So let's see if we have enough room to even take this out. We might not, but at least I could see in here like what's rattling. It looks like it's all together. It might just be a bad fan. All right, so I was able to pull it out just enough to be able to access the screws. Look at this. This is like all loose. I think it's just a bad fan, so I'll probably go pick one up and put it in. Yeah, I was actually getting some noise from the fan, like a vibration noise. I just didn't really care enough to check it out. But now that it started making really bad noise to the point where this thing's not spinning, I thought maybe we should check it out. It was really, really loud. It sounded like a lawnmower and you threw a rock in there. That's what it sounded like. And there should be 3 screws, 2 on the sides here, and I think there's 1 on the bottom, unfortunately. Yep, there's definitely 1 on the bottom. I'm glad someone enjoys watching me suffer. So there it is. So let's take it out and check it out. We came to AutoZone. I picked up a fan. This is by Dorman. It came out to 105. Hopefully it gave me the right one, but this is the part number right here. The fan, surprisingly, it's the same size. It looked bigger than the box, but I guess this is it. Get rid of this wiggly thing. So let me go ahead and open it and see how it looks. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and reinstall the fan. So that's what it looks like. Everything lined up, all the holes are perfect. The bottom is pretty hard to get, as you can tell. It's like all the way down there. There's just enough room for your hands, so you can do it. All right, we got the fan in, so now it's time to put this back under. It's kind of tough to get underneath like here because of the tab there and then that tab there, but let's see how I do. Hopefully I don't damage anything else. Knock on Jeep before we do that. Okay, so now we have this all bolted up. I only have 2 bolts, like I said. Over here it's kind of hard. You need an open wrench 10. I'm guessing this side was a 10 before too, but I changed it out, so it should all be 10s. Got to plug in the cables. I got to put a zip tie at the bottom there because I don't have the nut for the back of that, but I'll probably pick one up. And then we can connect this coolant line back. All right, so there it is. We got the fan in. So the next step is we're gonna test drive it on our way to go check out the white Jeep to go try to fix that one now. That's all it is with these Jeeps, huh? Open hoods, huh? The open hoods never end. So my Jeep has always made a lot of noise when the fan turns on. I guess that should have been a sign to change it out. But I waited last minute because what else are you supposed to do? Alright, so there it is on. I can actually feel a bunch of air. And it's quiet. I don't even hear it. I hear it a little bit. Oh, there's some coolant. I'm guessing from when I took it apart. Hopefully I didn't make any holes. I feel a lot of air coming out actually. Way more air than before. So far the Jeep has been running great. No more noise from the fan. Thank God. Easy to change out, surprisingly. Wasn't too difficult without removing anything, really. Like I just pulled it out. I don't know. Anyways, Thank you guys for 8K. I can't believe we hit that. That's amazing. You guys are great. We'll be doing a giveaway soon for that, so be on the lookout next week. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.